Okay, so this is an extension to one of the videos that I did, and it talked about why accounting was important. It's also an extension to some of the information that I did for the college class, right? And so I just want to share this with you. I'm going to share my screen real quick and share that, turn this on, and there we have it. So I did a question of the day, I believe, already on this, on why accounting is important. So I'm going to skip past everything, but it's still, all this remains the same. The one thing that I'm not sure if I talked about was accounting is important because it's required by the SEC in accordance with GAAP. Now, SEC is what? Security and Exchange Commission. So corporate accounting is required. In corporate accounting, there is a requirement for companies to report their financials from an accounting standpoint in accordance with GAAP to the SEC, Security and Exchange Commission. Okay, so that's really why it's important. So I wanted to touch on that. Then, you know, I've done a video on this where these are just numbers. Accounting is the basis of business though. So we need to be able to account for our business, and that's not what it should look like, but we need to be able to turn it into an actionable insight that looks like this. And the last thing I want to cover in this video, because it's so essential, and I provided this to the students that I gave a presentation to a couple of weeks ago at the college here in Seattle. Financial, there's a variety of accounting facets, right? So you got this big accounting umbrella, and underneath that, there's different dynamics of accounting. That's why I tell you, I'm not a bookkeeper. Not to say that bookkeepers, I have nothing against bookkeepers, but I'm not that bookkeeper. I am an accountant because I've touched every facet of this accounting variety. Financial accounting, governmental, public accounting, cost accounting, forensic accounting, management accounting, tax accounting, and auditing. Forensic accounting is fraud accounting, just for those of you that may not know that. But I've touched every one of these inside of my degree. And I think I will do a video on what my transcript looks like, right? Because I think it's important to know just how hard, or just not even how, well, yeah, how hard, but then really what the collection of accounting means. It's not just one thing. It's definitely just not bookkeeping, but there is a variety of information for an accountant, being an accountant. And really, I call myself an accountant, which is true, but at this point, I might be a CFO. I need to, financial manager, I don't know. Anyway, so that's what I have to bring. Hope you all had a great Thanksgiving, and go to my website, JRambus.com, sign up for my courses, my mailing list, and yeah, we'll keep learning about accounting. Have a good day.